Why do we say replace your tube with Blancodent? In tube there is up to 85% water, but if we put the tube upside down without capping, the water doesn't come out. Why doesn't it come out? Because adhesives, thickeners, binders are put in here, a little bit of toothpaste left on the saucer. You see it stays stuck, but as it stays stuck to the saucer, it stays stuck to the 1,000 bristles of the toothbrush, and down here, deep down, day after day, more and more will accumulate. It's impossible to rinse it out, and here viruses, bacteria, and so many other things will stick. Also, as Louis Pasteur discovered with the fermentation of liquids, where there is water, viruses, bacteria, and molds are formed. In tube toothpaste, since we said there is water, they need to put to prevent the formation of mold, viruses and bacteria, anti-mold, antibacterials, and antibiotics. These substances are all assimilated sublingually. That's why we say replace your toothpaste with Blanco toothpaste, 100% edible, waterless, pure, and that cleans, nourishes, strengthens teeth 10 times more. It's like me telling you today that a fuel has come out that goes 10 times farther, strengthens the car, and if you breathe it in or eat some, it's also good for you. That's why we say, as a first thing, replace your tube with Blancodent. There are many other reasons that you will find out later in other videos. Replace your tube toothpaste with Blancodent.